Hello everyone. Sustainability is a key focus for many organizations these days, and it is the way forward. Through automation and smart manufacturing, organizations can effectively implement sustainable initiatives, be it analyzing the energy utilization or looking at scrap, looking at wastage that are created in terms of machine inefficiencies or manpower utilization, or be it your raw materials. By utilization of good automation techniques and smart manufacturing initiatives, organization can further their sustainability and bring a lot more efficiency in their operations.